It's almost Christmas, and I know that you have been saving up money to get very good skincare for your Christmas glow. And I don't want you to waste that money and buy products that will not work for your skin. That is why in today's video, I have made a list of very good, top-notch skincare products that you can use on your face. Now, this particular face routine is for both morning routine and for both night routine, and also weekly treatment. So whatever is wrong with your skin, you have melasma, you have dark spots, your skin texture is not good, your face is dark, whatever your facial issue is, it is going to be treated. And the very good thing about this particular face routine today is that every section has multiple products in it, so you can choose, like wherever you're watching me from right now, US, UK, Canada, Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, Uganda, wherever you're watching me from, you are going to see one of the products. So we're going to be talking about moisturizers, facial cleansers, face washers, face toners, essences, sunscreens, everything. It's in this particular video. Like, this might be the last face routine of this year, so don't joke with me. Okay, it is full, it is packed. If you want a smooth face, if you want your face to be the attention seeker this Christmas, like, you don't need to wear makeup basically, because your skin is going to be glowing. Do you get? Then this is the video for you, because I have selected and picked very good products that work for both oily skin, dry skin, for fair skin complexion, and for caramel skin complexion. So as I said, this is a grand video, so let's get into it. Okay, so I need you to play this video on landscape, because you're going to need to take screenshots, probably now or later. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the pictures of the products I'm talking about, then you pause and take screenshots. So I'm going to shift this way, and we are going to use this part of the screen for that. We are going to be starting with your face wash. Now, these face washes are face washes you are going to be using in the morning and at night. Face washes are super important. Now, the two in this list are my absolute favorites, and if you can see it, I would actually suggest you get it. Okay, but there are two other popular ones that you can find. So face wash number one is the simple refreshing face wash. Now, this one is on the list because I know everybody can find it. Okay, now the second one on my list is the Face Fact Ceramide Skin Barrier Complex face wash. This one is also very popular, and that's why it's on the list, and it's also good anyways. Now, over to my best preference. First one is the Tiam Snail and Azulin Low pH Cleanser. This particular face wash is super nice. Like, if you have oily skin, it's going to benefit you in such a way that it is not going to strip off excess oil from your skin. Okay, and it is still going to cleanse your face. And then if you have dry skin, on the other hand, it is going to wash your face without also making your face feel drier. Do you understand? So it's both beneficial for oily skin people and dry skin people. So if you have used Simple before, if you have used Face Fact before, I would say you should try this TM. It's super nice. Then the fourth on the list is the CosRS Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This one is also good. So if you can find the TM, or you can find the CosRX, whichever one you find out, I want you to try any of these ones. Okay, they are super amazing. But if you can't find it, it's okay, you can go for the other two, but these two are chef's kiss. So after washing your face, you're going to need a face toner. Remember, I said that this particular face routine that I'm giving you is a face routine for skin glow, for skin smoothness. Okay, so a face toner is absolutely compulsory in this particular face routine. Now, one of the things, or one of the benefits, or some of the benefits of using face toner is it is a way to actually introduce more brightening ingredients, more soothing ingredients, more hydrating ingredients into your skin. Because for you to have that smooth, youthful, plump, soft texture, bouncy face, or more, you need to add a lot of hydration to your face. So that is why we are not going to be skipping toners. Okay, remember I said that this face routine, I know that you all have saved money, so I know you have money to buy it. All right, so this is a daily toner. Any of these toners, you can use them in the morning and at night. Okay, so the first on my list is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Face Toner. This is a very good face toner. I've actually talked about it on the channel before. The second one is the CosRS Full Fit Propolis Synergy Toner. This toner is absolutely amazing. The third one is the the third one is the Aqua Licorice pH Balancing Cleansing toner. The fourth one is the serum vitamin B3 mist toner. Now, another thing a face toner does for you is to balance your face pH, because if your face pH is not balanced, okay, any product you are using, your serum, your moisturizer, and all of those things, the ingredients from those particular products are not going to be penetrating into your skin. So sometimes the reason why your skin is not giving you what you want is because your skin's pH is imbalanced. So a toner helps to balance your skin's pH, and that is why it is super important, because we can't waste money and buy the serums and buy everything and it's not penetrating into our skin. No. So that is it for our daily toner. Now, the third section is facial essence. Remember, I am listing these things according to how you use it, for those of you that don't know how to use these things. So after washing your face, you use your face toner, okay, and then you are going to use an essence. But an essence is not compulsory. I must put this out there. Using a face essence is not compulsory, but come on, it's just a way of giving your face extra hydration, especially if you're someone that has dry skin. If you're someone that has dry skin or even normal skin, okay, face essence can also help your skin. It's just a way to give your skin more hydration. I have oily skin, but I use my essence every morning, okay, and it is very good. So even if you have oily skin, you can use your face essence. So I have two on my list. The first is a popular one, the CosRx Advanced Nail Narcissus Mucin Power Essence, and the second one is the Jumiso Snail Mucin 95 Plus Peptide Essence. So any of these two you can get, it's okay. The Jumiso is very nice. CosRx is very nice. So if you're someone that doesn't like the CosRx, you can go for the Jumiso. It's actually very it's actually very nice. Okay, so yes, your essence comes after your facial toner. Okay, so after putting in all those hydration, it is time now to introduce our antioxidants for the day. This step is very important. You need antioxidants to protect your skin from environmental skin radicals, because those are the things that fight your face. Those are the things that give you wrinkles, fine lines, just spoil everything we've done, and we don't want that. So you need to use antioxidants every single day. But before we go into that, if you have not liked this video at this point, Ejo, please, Biko, click the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and also share this video when you're done. Thank you. Okay, so if you're someone with sensitive skin, if you have acne, don't use this particular one. The first two serums I'm going to call out now is for people with normal skin. You don't have acne or all of those things, okay? So I am going to be recommending the CeraVe Skin Renewal Vitamin C Face Serum or the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Face Serum for people that are not acne prone, for people with normal skin. Now, if you have acne, you are acne prone, you have oily skin and all of those things, you can use the Serum Vitamin B3 Niacinamide Face Serum, okay? Or you can use the annual 10 plus niacinamide plus tranexamic acid face serum. Any of these two serums, you can use it if you have acne or you are acne prone or you have oily skin. If you have oily skin, you need niacinamide in your dream. You need niacinamide in your life, okay, to help to control sebum, overproduction of oils in your face and all of those things. So, and it is also an antioxidant. So, facial moisturizers for morning and for night. Okay, these face moisturizers can be used by fair people and for caramel people. I've already said that every product here can be used by fair people and by caramel skin people. It is going to give you results, glow, shine, and everything based on your skin complexion. Okay, so the first moisturizer is one of my best new affordable face moisturizers, okay, and that is the APLB tranexamic acid niacinamide facial cream. This cream is super amazing. It's smoothing, hydrating, and moisturizing the face, and it is affordable. I think it sells at about 6,000 naira depending on where you are buying it. Anyways, the second one is Isn't green tea fresh emotion. I've talked about this particular face moisturizer. I said it is, anybody can use it, but if you have a stubborn oil face, like you have used different types of face cream for your oily skin and is not accepting it, okay, Get Easing Tree and Thank Me Later. The third one is the Cosrx Advanced Nail Mousing Cream. The fourth one is the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Face Cream. This is another very good face cream. It is a Korean brand, but it's good. It works for African skin. Remember, it is not every Korean product that works for African skin. Okay, so yeah, be guided. The fifth one is the Annual 70 Plus Rice plus Ceramide Intensive Moisturizing Milk. This particular face moisturizer is super good. Like, it smoothens the face. It gives a smooth, glowy face if you use it over time. So that is it for our facial moisturizers. So, who needs this weekend face care routine? If you have dark spots, if you have melasma, if you have dark patches on your face, or your general face is not bright, okay, your face is darker than your body, then you need this weekend face routine compulsorily, because this weekend face treatment, they are tyrosinase inhibitors, and tyrosinase inhibitors are the real fighters. Like, they are the ones that come to fight all those things that are making you feel not so beautiful on your face. Okay, so the first one I have for you is 20% azelaic acid. Now, this is a tube cream that is going to help to smoothen your face, fight acne, fight any inflammation. If you're acne prone, if you have oily skin, okay, and you are always having recurring acne, get azelaic acid and use it every weekend. You can start from using it once a week to see how your skin tolerates it. Once a week, two times a week, then you can, increase the frequency. All right. But this is really, really going to smoothen your skin. If you are someone that have been battling acne, battling pimples, battling rough face for a very long time, azelaic acid is going to really, really help you. Now, the second one I have for you is the 5% tranexamic acid face serum. Now, who should use this particular one? This particular one is for people that are having hyperpigmentation generally on their face, because this is a facial serum that you're going to use on your face and on your neck. So this particular one, you can use it like 3 to 4 times on your face and on your neck. Remember, these things are night only. This section we are talking about now, strictly night routine. Okay, so the tranexamic acid serum, you use it 3 to 4 times a week, but you can start from 2 times a week. All right, so you are going to know the tolerance of your skin. This is what is going to help to, lighten up your face, brighten up your face. Even if you are dark skin, caramel skin, once you are dealing with hyperpigmentation on your face, okay, you can go ahead and get this product. Even the azelaic acid also can help to brighten your skin. Like, if you're using the azelaic acid, please do not use the tranexamic acid. Okay, so you don't use too much actives on your face, because sometimes, because a lot of times using too much actives, instead of healing your face or actually helping you to solve your problem, it is going to worsen the case. Okay, so I have specified who should use these ones. Now, the third I have on my list, please open your ears, please and please and please. This particular one I am using is for people strictly that have melasma, or you will have these very severe dark spots that you have been treating for months. You have used different things, vitamin C, clinical, maybe you have even tried azelaic acid and all of that, and it did not clear that dark spot. Then that is when you are going to use this number 3. But and also for melasma people, that is the melano free hydroquinone. This particular brand, this product contains 4% hydroquinone and 0.05 tretinoin. This is a very strong product that works for melasma and very stubborn dark spots. Okay, now if you are pregnant, don't use this cream. If you are breastfeeding, do not use this cream. Or even if you are probably expecting to be pregnant very soon, don't use it. Okay, if you have very tender skin, be careful with using it. Make sure you do a patch test. That is, if maybe you have melasma and you do have to use it, use it very little, pea size of it. Okay, so that is it. So that is the product for this one. This is going to help with melasma, with freckles and severe dark spot. If your dark spot is not severe, please use azelaic acid. or use the 9 less 5% tranexamic acid face serum. It is going to work for you when combined with everything we have talked about. Remember, we have been building this routine from your face wash, your face toner, your essence, and everything. So this face routine is not going to be complete without exfoliating toners. And if I didn't mention it, just know that. Am I okay? So I have two for you here. The first one is the ordinary glycolic acid 7% exfoliating toner. The second one I have for you is one that is very mild, okay? And that is the Queen Helen Beauty Secret Natural Glow Toner. This particular one has glutathione and glycolic acid in it. It is very good and it is mild. If you don't like toners that are harsh, that are maybe super active for your skin, go for this Queen Helen Beauty Secret Natural Glow Toner. It's just like water, just like water on your skin, but it really brightens your skin. So everybody needs this one, whether you are treating anything or whether you're not treating anything on your face. You need to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times every week to help to remove impurities, to help to remove dead skin cells, to help to promote a fresh, radiant, smooth, glowing skin. And I also want to mention the nights. Remember these two things, you are going to use them at night. Like any of them you choose to buy, you're going to be using them at night 2 to 3 times alternatively. Okay. And the nights you are going to be using them, please do not use your tyrosinase inhibitors that same night. Okay, what are tyrosinase inhibitors? Tyrosinase inhibitors are the azelaic acid, the tranexamic acid serum, and the hydroquinone. Don't use it the same night you use your glycolic acid toners. Okay, if you use this one today, use this one tomorrow, like that. Don't use two of them together so you don't harm your skin or anything of the sort. See, your hyperpigmentation will not go anywhere unless you use a sunscreen. If you have dark spots, melasma, general hyperpigmentation on your face, you need a sunscreen. And this December, it's compulsory that you go out every day wearing your sunscreen. So the ones I'm going to recommend, number one is Skin Aqua, number two is the Nivea UV Super Water Gel Sunscreen, number three is the Aqua Sun SPF 50, the last one is the La Roche-Posay SPF 50. So any of these sunscreens you can get them and you're going to love them. They are suitable for both dark skin, for caramel skin, and for fair skin. They dissolve into your skin and all of those things, no white cast, right? So these are all the products and how to use them. If you have any questions, any concerns, any contributions, let's have a conversation in the comment section. Thank you for joining me. Have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Have you? Check out this video right here. Let's continue our beautiful conversation from there. Thanks for watching. Bye.